were on the ground. What you done there get yourself?
Hurdles.
Hurdles?
Hurdles. Got them hurdles.
Finally went ahead and bought himself some portals.
Nah.
He's already got the rears installed. Set of second-hand portals. How about were the rear ones installed?
They weren't bad. Not at all. None of it was bad to install unless you make sure that you put them on the right side.
Did you,
Yes, I did.
Oh.
I'm not afraid to admit it.
No, you
I put
shouldn't.
the right on the left and the left on the right. But I realized it
Before everything was tight?
No, before I had that side tore apart.
Oh.
I'm like, yeah, this isn't right.
Something doesn't add up here.
Which one doesn't belong? Alright, I'm missing the castle nut for that now.
For...
The top one. I know it's not the one for the tie rod. It might be the same size.
Is it?
I don't know. Look at it. Oh, the tie rod doesn't have a castle nut. That's why.
No, it does not. This one is just...
Ah, gotcha.
Went for the wrong one, that's all. Yep. Gotta say bye-bye to his bumper now, because it's gonna rub like crazy.
I'm only gonna cut the nerf bars off.
Just back to there.
Yeah.
Kinda like you had it before.
I'll cut it real short compared to what I had before.
Gotcha.
Yeah, I really liked it. I like having them. You can see I can smash them into everything.
Yep.
And they rub already.
They did help a few times kicking off the trees.
Alright, we'll put this damn tie rod.
There's actually some beefy tie rod stock.
They bend.
I know Cameron bent his. There ain't no hard part. It's all easy, I thought.
Yeah. It's easy whenever you buy them used and they got the brackets on the back. All you gotta do is take off the old and put on a new. That's how they should ship it.
I don't know why they don't. Save on cost, probably.
Well, yeah, then they had to pay somebody to do it. That's plenty low enough. Oh, I might be quick. Quick. Oh! It's rolling.
Good thing you brought brake fluid.
Yeah, I know. Because I poured it all in there already.
Oh, you gotta flip the brake calipers on these too?
I actually, believe it or not, read the instructions.
It's not a bad thing.
Good job, Super ATV. Putting all your constructions on the interweb for everybody to see.
That is nice when a company does that.
Yeah, I mean, if I would do that as a company.
Because, I mean, how many times are portals swapped? Or, you know, sold? Second-hand kind of deal. Perfect example. New brake lines.
stop leaking. It's still leaking. Yeah, there's
Mile and a half.
towel, Susie.
Mile and a half of brake line.
Oh no, they're not that bad.
That's pretty freaking long.
They're a lot nicer to do than Polaris is.
The rear on the Polaris sucked.
The front on Polaris suck.
The front wasn't that bad.
Yeah.
I have a flying screwdriver too. Well, AJ got all the portals on.
Back it up real quick so I can get it fixed.
Yeah, you know why it's still half apart.
Well, it's still half light out. I don't want that light out.
I gotta move that exhaust.
Yeah.
Or run it over. One of the two. All the trash. You good?
Oh, we didn't air up that tire.
It's not that bad. I'm telling you, she ain't that big. She's just right. What every girl's ever told you in your life. It is.
See how she does it, huh?
Damn, she rubbed that. Oh, so bad. You hit a good enough bump and she'll bring you to a dead stop at this point.
I don't want it to rip off any cleats.
It'll just clearance.
We'll cut it off real quick. This rubber's so bad. Well, I tell you what though, that back bumper was a really good idea
When you originally thought of it? Watch out for that.
Throw some air in that tire too.
She rides so rough. Where the hell are you cutting at? Oh, shit. Well, when your bumper rubs your tires, what do you do?
Cut the bumper off.
Cut the bumper off. That's right. He can do what he wants to it. His bike.
I'm gonna bring it all the way back to this. Not mine.
You're literally right back to where you started though. You would have to cut through the solid part. Huh? You cut right through in the solid part.
Did? Oh shit, I did.
I haven't seen it.
Already got down this way.
Yep. You're just gonna end up cutting the flush. She gonna clear the tire?
Yeah, she's hitting the tire.
You can get it there, yeah. There you go. You cut through the solid piece on here. Oh, She's gone, she's gone.
Huh?
She was moving. She's gone, she's gone, she's gone. Keep going, keep going. How's she feeling low? No more rubbish.
Why? Goddamn portal, son!
Alright guys, so we're heading out for a little impromptu ride with the gang.
He's got grease stains on it.
Got AJ's bike out here with the portals on it now. First time testing it out.
Got Miller's new bike.
Yep. Hold on, I gotta get a shot of that. Our buddy Shelby got a brand new bike. She looks mean, bud.
Yeah, I like it.
I like it a lot. I like the seats though. Holy crap.
Hey,
Wait till you sit in it.
Oh man, screw you, AJ.
It's like riding in a fucking
I'm sitting in
Cadillac.
this thing.
let's loosen my front end.
Do it again. Do it again. No, it's the whole rack. It's the whole, it's up at the rack. It's actually moving. But yeah, little impromptu ride at Goose Pond. Goose Pond, yeah, Goose Pond. So, let's get to it.
If y'all know about the old name, then you know where we're at. It's Goose Pond now.
Goose Pond, yeah, Goose Pond. Let's get to it. I gotta get in the side by side, don't kill me. What's up, big dog? Go for it.
Ready to get a little wet?
Where? Creep on through. Huh? Oh, we can go play around in this little quick. You gonna try high?
Oh, bro, she eats. She fucking eats.
I think we need a four-wheel drive. You gotta go low. Oh yeah, she likes them. No issues. Before you wouldn't have been able to do that.
Listen to her.
You want to test her out? We'll test her out. I got a hole for you. You're fine through here. Get over to the next pond. Keep going that way.
I know, wait right now.
Oh.
Bro!
Right in the middle where it's bad, right where those trees are. Go for it. Don't be a bitch. Just go for it. Okay, let me get out. Right here. Hey, you need four-wheel drive. That's a backup. Yep. Now go forward.
One thing I don't like about these tires is they fucking dig everything out from underneath.
Oh yeah. All right, come get my ass again.
Oh, she turned that much. She just turned. Rides a lot nicer.
You hit the
back.
You hit the GoPro. Don't go that way.
Don't look.
Now diff lock. I wasn't talking about that. I was talking about this pond over here, but